Really useful hidden tricks and that everyone should know. It usually happens that when hanging clothes or dresses on the hangers, they tend to slip and fall. But you can avoid this by placing some elastic bands on the corners of the hanger. You will notice that the strips of clothing will be firmly fixed on the hanger and will not fall. When washing the dishes, some containers are very deep and uncomfortable to reach with your hands. This can be solved by just adding a little rice and soap to the dishes and then beating very well until the rice leaves it clean. If you try to open the pot with your hands when it is very hot, this could cause a burn. But if you wrap a plastic cinch in the handle of the pot before taking it to the stove, it will help you hold it when it rises in temperature. When the edge of the sports shoes is very dirty, you can put toothpaste on a brush and rub with it. You will notice that it will make them shiny. If beach flip-flops tend to come off frequently, you can avoid it by using an elastic band. Just tie it at the bottom in a triangular way as I show you, and it will serve as a support to hold the loose part. When traveling, you can prevent shampoo containers or other aromatic oils from staining your clothes, just by placing a little kitchen paper in your mouth and then covering them. If you are going out for a walk with white shoes and the ground is muddy or raining, you can place some plastic bags to cover the shoes, and thus prevent them from getting dirty. Do not throw these bottles in the trash. You just have to cut from the corners as shown on the screen. Then make some holes in the corners with a hot artifact, and then take an elastic band and tie it on the edges. With this, you can easily slice vegetables while at the same time you take care of your fingers from a cut. If you take a piece of paper towel and then add 2 tablespoons of coffee and then tie it with an elastic band, you will be creating a smell neutralizer that is ideal to remove the bad smell from the refrigerator, shoes, or wardrobe. You can quickly remove corrosion and rust from your tools if you just add Coca-Cola in a glass and let the tools rest inside for about 15 minutes. It will leave them as new. If for some reason you notice that the mask rubber has stuck to your clothes, don't worry, since rubbing an ice cube in the area for a minute will make the rubber harden and it will be much easier to remove. When you need to use the control of your television or other device, and you only have one battery on hand, you can make the control work with a paper clip. You just have to open the clip in a way that can fit in the slot and then put it in it. You will notice that the television will work as usual. Tell me below which of these tricks you found most interesting, and also remember to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss more tips like this.